Here's how to fix Google Chrome running slow and lagging. First, close all Chrome windows. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Search for Chrome and end all Chrome processes. Reopen Chrome and check if it is faster. If it is still slow, click the three dots, then Settings, then System. Try toggling Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn it on if it is off, or turn it off if it is on. Then click Relaunch. If that does not help, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and disable all of them. Restart Chrome and test. If it is now fast, re-enable extensions one at a time to find the one causing the problem. If Chrome is still slow, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Delete Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cached Images and set the time range to All Time. Click Delete Data. As a last resort, go to Settings, then Reset Settings and restore Chrome to its defaults. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.